Hello parents, I am Dr. Tanisha Burke, parent coach and psychologist. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss the latest research and best practices in parenting, child development, and supporting the family. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power of co-regulation. As parents, we all know that children can experience intense emotions from time to time. Whether it's a tantrum, a meltdown, or a burst of anger, it can be challenging to navigate these emotional moments with our children. However, one powerful tool that parents can use is co-regulation. So what is co-regulation? Co-regulation refers to the process by which a caregiver supports and helps a child regulate their emotions during times of distress or intense emotions. It involves the caregiver actively providing comfort, validation, and guidance to the child to help them manage their emotions effectively. Co-regulation recognizes that children rely on their caregivers to help them navigate their emotional world and develop healthy emotional regulation skills. You might be wondering how you can practice co-regulation. So here are some step-by-step instructions on how you can co-regulate when your children are experiencing intense emotions. The first step is to stay calm and centered. The first step in co-regulation is for parents to manage their own emotions and stay calm when their children is experiencing intense emotion. It's natural to feel triggered or overwhelmed when our children are upset, but it's important to remember that our emotional state can impact our child's emotional state. Taking deep breaths, using self-regulatory techniques, and staying centered can help us create a safe and supportive environment for our children to express their emotions. Step 2 is to validate and acknowledge emotions. Validating and acknowledging your child's emotions without judgment is crucial in co-regulation. It's important to let your child know that their feelings are normal and understandable. We can use phrases like, "It looks like you're feeling really angry or frustrated or sad right now, and that's okay." This validation helps your child feel seen and heard, which can create a sense of safety and trust. 3 is to offer comfort and physical contact. Physical touch can be a powerful tool in co-regulation. Offering comfort through a hug, a pat on the back, or holding their hand can provide reassurance and a sense of security to our children. Physical contact can help regulate their nervous system and provide comfort during intense emotional experiences. Step 4 is empathetic listening. Active and empathetic listening is a critical component of co-regulation. We should strive to listen actively to our child without interrupting or minimizing their emotions. Reflecting back their feelings and thoughts can show that we understand and empathize with them. For example, we can say, "It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed because of what happened." This validates their emotions and helps them to feel understood. The 5th step is to help your child identify and label emotions. Emotional awareness is a key skill in managing emotions. Helping your child identify and label their emotions can support their emotional development. You can guide them in recognizing and naming their emotions, such as, "It seems like you're feeling disappointed because you didn't get what you wanted." This helps them understand their emotions and begin to develop emotional literacy. The 6th strategy is to provide tools and strategies for emotional regulation. Equipping your child with age-appropriate tools and strategies for managing emotions is essential for co-regulation. Deep breathing exercises, counting to 10, taking a break, or engaging in a calming activity are examples of strategies we can offer. Encouraging your child to use these strategies when they're feeling overwhelmed empowers them with coping skills to regulate their emotions. The seventh step is to problem solve and generate solutions. Encouraging your child to problem solve and generate potential solutions to the situation that triggered their intense emotion can be empowering. We can ask questions like, what do you think could help you feel better in this situation? Or, what are some things you can do to manage your emotions right now? This encourages your child to think critically and come up with their own solutions, which can boost their confidence and emotional resilience. The final step is to follow up and check in. Follow up with your child after an intense emotion has subsided. Check in on how they're feeling and offer ongoing support if needed. Reinforce positive coping strategies and acknowledge their efforts in managing their emotions. Co-regulation is a powerful tool that you can use to help your child manage intense emotions. By staying calm, validating emotions, offering comfort, using empathetic listening, helping your child identify and label their emotions, providing tools for emotional regulation, and encouraging them to problem solve, you can create a supportive and nurturing environment for your child's emotional development. Remember, co-regulation is a skill that can be developed over time with practice and patience. By using these step-by-step instructions, you can build a stronger connection with your child and support their emotional well-being. So, the next time your child is experiencing intense emotions, give co-regulation a try and see the positive impact it can have on your child's emotional health. We hope that you found this video informative. As always, we would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.